Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access System Settings. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on the gray sweater next to it in order to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, it's on. If you want to go back, you can always swipe up or tap on this dark area. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, select the same now green sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!